Hello and welcome. Today, we're talking about self-healing materials. How do these materials repair themselves when damaged? First, let's explain how these materials work in simple terms. Imagine your phone screen gets scratched. This screen contains tiny, invisible capsules. When a scratch occurs, these capsules break open and release a special liquid. This liquid fills in the scratches, restoring the screen to its original state. It's like skin healing itself. The capsules are spread throughout the material of the screen. When damage occurs, the capsules break and release their contents. This process repairs the scratch or crack. It's like magic, right? There are different types: polymers, metals, composites, and ceramics. Each has different repair methods. Let's dive into the details of each. In polymers, microcapsules are common. These capsules are embedded in the polymer matrix. When a scratch or break occurs, the capsules break and release the healing agent. It's like a little savior. In cross-linked polymers, broken bonds can reform. It's like using adhesive tape. You tear it apart and then stick it back together. Isn't that amazing? In metals, repair happens through heat or pressure. When damaged, the atoms in the metal rearrange and fill the cracks. It's like a broken ice cube freezing back together. In composite materials, both fiber matrix and capsules are used. When damage occurs, the capsules in the fiber matrix release the healing agent. It works like a Band-Aid. In ceramics, chemical reactions are key. When a crack forms, chemical reactions are triggered to fill the cracks. It's like limestone solidifying when it meets water. These materials don't just repair themselves, they can also strengthen themselves. Crack repair efficiency can reach up to 90%. Mechanical properties can improve by up to 80%. Polymers can self-heal up to 10 cycles. Metals and composites heal in fewer cycles. This makes these materials more durable. The future of technology is here. There are some examples in everyday life. Smartphone screens, automotive paints, and rubber materials are just a few. Technology companies use self-healing coatings. Automotive companies have developed paints that heal small scratches. These paints can repair themselves with heat or sunlight. Cars always look new. Isn't that great? Tire manufacturers are using this technology too. They are developing self-healing tires for punctures. These tires can enhance driving safety. Just what we need. Special clothing and textiles contain microcapsules or polymer coatings. Small tears and holes can be repaired in line with the fabric's texture. The future of fashion is here. In the construction industry, self-healing concrete is being developed. This concrete uses bacteria or chemicals to fill cracks. Imagine buildings that repair themselves. These bacteria produce calcium carbonate when they come into contact with water, filling the cracks. There are even self-healing nail polishes. They fix small scratches to stay durable. A manicure revolution. Self-healing polymers are used in electronic devices too. Small damages are repaired without affecting the device's function. These coatings are also used on wooden and plastic furniture. Furniture stays new for longer. These materials are finding more places in everyday life. They increase durability and reduce maintenance costs. Isn't that incredible? So, what does the future hold? These materials will become more effective and durable. They can revolutionize the automotive, aerospace, construction, and electronics industries. Flying cars might even be possible. For example, they can be used in aircraft bodies and bridges. They can also reduce environmental impact. Less material consumption and longer lifespan reduce waste. It's great for our planet. They provide economic benefits too. It's an important step for sustainability. In the future, they are expected to be used in a wider range. Technology never stops, and neither should we. New applications will be discovered. Deep structural self-healing materials are also being developed. This will make more complex repair processes possible. Science fiction is becoming reality. They can bring big changes to everyday life. Home goods, wearable technology, and medical devices can use them. Longer lasting and more durable products will be offered. Everything is changing. Learn more about self-healing materials. Discover the potential of this technology in the future. Get one step closer to the technologies of the future. In this video, we explored self-healing materials. We saw how they work and examples from daily life. I hope you found it interesting. Keep up with developments in this rapidly advancing field of science and technology.